If deciding between your red, yellow and green bins is a challenge at times, then how many people actually know what hazardous waste is and how we dispose of it safely? So I hit the streets to ask people, what don't you put in the household bins?
Or I reckon the battery.
This one, if you washed it out, maybe could go in the recycling.
I don't know about the light though.
Do you feel confident knowing what bin to put everything in?
Sometimes it depends what products.
But no, sometimes it's a little bit tricky.
That one, maybe.
Not really.
No? Definitely neither of these.
Say this one.
I'd say mostly, but not always.
Yeah, I don't know.
That one doesn't go in either.
Serious?
Oh.
I know, it's like, bing! Don't put me in the bin.
Ah, good to know.
Do you need some more help? Some of the most common household items that need to be treated as hazardous waste and not go in the household bins are batteries of all shapes and sizes, gas bottles, fire extinguishers, engine oil and fuels, paint and paint tins, smoke detectors, fluoro globes and tubes, and chemicals from the house and the garden. But this isn't a complete list, so to make sure you're doing the right thing for our environment, go to the URL or download the BMCC Waste app.
Together we've got a